fading soft and warm. His wires drip red oil. It's delicate and beautiful. We don't want him here. He's come to steal our jobs. He's human. Human. His extinction is justified. He's not one of us. He's different. The kind went out of style back in 2044, extinguishing all traces of the past that lie before. Why would they do this to? Capable of love and war, a creature of extremes. The highest aspirations couldn't satisfy the dreams. How could they do this to them? Now we have a specimen to study and adore. Let's cut him up in tiny bits, examine him some more. Cut him up good. He's not one of us. He's different than us. He's not one of us. He's different than us. Radiation burns the skin. Separation, life from limb. Why would we do this to? They can give or take away, just like they did every day. How could they do this to
Good afternoon. Tim here. We're just going over this picture. Just kind of finished up the way I like it right now, and we're about ready to varnish it. And after it dries, we'll be add a little bit of oil, and we'll be marbleizing it, which is a matter of spreading a bunch of paint over it with a palette knife and then scraping it down, and we'll see what it looks like. It may come out okay and may go right in the scrap pile. So we'll see. It's kind of a crapshoot. So here it is. It's two people looking at each other. The original title was going to be Love Story. I'm not quite sure that that's what it's going to end up at. We have a lady over here and we have a fellow over this side with a questionable look at each other. So we'll give it a shot and we'll see how it comes out. Thank you for watching. As always, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and ring the bell. Thank you.
Doesn't look like us. Archetype long ago was bleeding soft and warm.
Okay, this is the point we're gonna put some varnish on it now. We'll be using this Liquitex gloss varnish.
He's come to steal our jobs. Human. His extinction.
The surface of this picture is a little bumpy. Just gonna put a little garlic olive oil on the picture here, but I kind of thought that it might smell a little too much like Italy.
Kind went out of style back in 2044, extinguishing our traces
kidding, of course.
past that lie before. Capable of love and war, a creature of extremes. Highest aspirations couldn't satisfy the dreams. How could they do this to Now we have a specimen to study and adore. Let's cut him up in time.
Okay, here we I put it in a frame and hung it on the wall. Again, as predicted, it's going to be called Love Story.
Here is someone
Hope
new.
you enjoy it.
Doesn't
Subscribe to the
like
channel.
us.
Ring the bell.
Like
Give us a thumbs up. Everything is for sale. It's all for sale on eBay. Less than $50.
soft and warm.
I hope you enjoy it. And it comes without the frame, rolled up in the tube. It is 18 by 24 inches. Thank you very much.
We don't want him here. He's come to steal our jobs. He's human. Human. His extinction